hope you all are doing great. And those who don't know me, so my name is Prerna Kukreti and I make videos on fashion, on beauty, on lifestyle and vlogs. As the title goes, that I ordered few most affordable tops from H&M. I wanted to get some lounge wear for myself that are not too expensive, and मुझे उसको below 1,000 rupees or below 10 euros ही रखना था. That was my budget. So the tops which I really liked और जो मुझे समझ में आए were above 500 rupees or 400 or 500 rupees, and which is in euros approx 5 to 6 euros or 4 euros. So yeah, I have my parcel with me, and one by one I can just show you guys the tops and I can talk about it, which I liked the most and which I liked the least. This one is my second most favorite in the slot, and this one is a tube top which is in the color beige. So this is not properly a beige color. This has, you know, a stripe, a pattern on it. I am not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it has the stripe pattern, and this retails for 799. And to be very honest, I didn't have a lot of expectation from this one, but oh my god, it did not disappoint me at all. You know, it is one of those affordable tops जो लगते बहुत expensive है once you wear it, and once you pair it with the right pair of trouser or right pair of bottoms, oh man, they just look next level. So it is one of those top. Slight concern, it is slightly loose on the chest area. So अगर आपको थोड़ा size issue है, you know, if you are a petite, then I would suggest you to order S or M. You just have a look. लेकिन yeah, it's a very nice top. I cannot think of anything bad to say about this top. Yeah, I really love this one, and it is my second favorite in the list. So yeah, you can check this one out. Next up we have this ripped vest top, and this is in the color beige. Like, it is not a proper beige, but yeah, this is a mustardy beigeish color, which is in between. I don't know which color is this, to be very honest, but yeah, this is a very pretty tank top, and material is very stretchy. It is a very comfortable material. It feels soft on the body, and it is stretchable as well. I ordered it in S, and let me just check. Yeah, I ordered it in medium. Sorry, I ordered it in medium, and yeah, it looks beautiful. It feels nice. I cannot think of any reason why I do not like this. I think it is perfect for the price. I feel yeah, it's stretchable, it's nice, the color is quite different. Next up we have this Peggotty strap body suit. This is not a top, this is a body suit, and it has these stripes and a very stretchable stripe sort of a pattern, and this retails for rupees 799. I ordered it in S, and oh my god, the fit was really nice. As you can see, it is a very stretchable material, so yeah, it fits really nice. It feels very soft on the body. The fabric feels expensive. It does not feel cheap at all. So yeah, it is a lime and, you know, very light yellowish color, something very different, and this one is on sale. So yes, H&M sale is going on, so you might get these top, you know, in a discounted prices, so you might want to check these one out while the sale is still on. Okay, one of the item that really made me happy was this t-shirt. So this retails for rupees 499, and what a great price point for this. And this is a very basic stripe t-shirt, which is an absolute essential in your wardrobe, and I have been, you know, looking for this one since a long time now, and I couldn't find it. Sometimes I didn't like the fit, sometimes, you know, I find the t-shirt very see-through, but this one is a perfect purchase, I think, and with the price point, it's just awesome. So yeah, I really like the pattern of this one. Basic stripes, black and white, really nice. You can use this one, you know, while layering your clothes. I can create like so many outfits out of this single t-shirt, and no brainer. I think everybody needs a good t-shirts in their wardrobe. Next up we have this crop one shoulder top. There are two other colors available in this one, but I ordered it in white, and it has this pattern of, you know, a draping pattern on one side of the shoulder and other side is off. So yeah, this retails for rupees 799. A very beautiful crop top, which you can pair it with any color, to be very honest. And I am not very huge fan of the material. It is bit satiny, but it feels soft. But yeah, somehow it doesn't feel very expensive to me. It's just a personal opinion. I feel that this type of material makes the stuff look not very expensive. But yeah, it looks very smart. This is not a stretchable top, so you might have to be very careful while ordering the size. So yeah, I ordered it in S and it absolutely fit. The fitting wise, it is a beautiful top. I paired it with the yellow pants, yellow mustardy pants. But yeah, I feel with the price point, it's a great deal. My favorite in the slot, and probably the top which surprised me a lot. I did not expect this one to be this good, but yeah, this one is the draped strappy top, and this is in color black. So they have like 3 colors in this one, and oh my god, the fit is so amazing of this top. I absolutely love it. Yeah, it has this 2 layering thing, so it is not at all see-through. You will be insured if you're wearing with your pasties. This one fits like a glove. I couldn't find a reason to discard this one. Really, it's an amazing top. I'm not sure about the fabric, what it is, but it feels very nice because of the 2 layering that I showed you. And it has this draped pattern, you know, at this side and this side on your body, but it fits very nice. It fits very nice. It feels very expensive. Okay, next up we have this top which I'm currently wearing. So this one is a cap sleeve blouse, and this one retails for 999 rupees, which is like 1000 rupees. But yeah, this one is currently on sale, so if you want to check this one out, it's the right time. And this one has this stripe pattern with this collar and a V-neck. So a thing which I really liked about this top is I can wear it in office as well, and I can wear it in casual, you know, while going for a casual meet as well. So yeah, I can dress up, I can dress down. It is one of those versatile tops, and yeah, the fitting is okay. So I ordered it in S, and it is bit loose. I completely get that. But yeah, if you are someone who prefer fitted clothes, I would highly suggest you to order it in XS, and who, of course, who belongs to my body type. But yeah, overall, it's a very nice top. I feel it's one of those basic top which you don't have to think about, you know, while pairing it. You can just throw this top with the denims, with skirts. You can, you know, you can pair it with everything. All right, next up we have this stripe pattern tank top with this button in the middle. So just a disclaimer, I couldn't find this one in H&M India website, so my apologies. But yeah, I have paid 8.5 euros, which is in INR approximately 750 rupees. But yeah, it's a basic tank top, nothing to complain about. The material is very light, feels bit see-through, but yeah, it was not exactly see-through. And yeah, the stripe pattern, I am in love with stripe pattern. I think they are the most easy, and they just make you look very elegant when it comes to the prints. So yeah, it's a basic gunji which you can pair it with trousers, you can pair it with skirts, you can layer this one with the other shorts as well. Handy when you have nothing to wear situation. So yeah, it's a basic stuff. I absolutely love this one. I think the price point is really great. So if you're looking for a good tank top. And my least favorite in the slot is this khaki green color top. It retails for rupees 800, like 799. And so the reason why I did not like this top so much is because of the fit. So this top falls straight, but it is a bit baggy on this area. Like it has a beautiful straps, but then it gets too baggy. The material is okay. Like it is good. When it comes to the price point, feels nice on the body, but concern with this top is only when it comes to the pairing with the bottom wear. I feel the baggy tops such as this one makes it very difficult for me to, you know, pair the bottom wear. I have to be very careful with it. So in this, while pairing with this, I opted for a very tight shorts, and then I was able to balance the fit. But yeah, I don't think so that I will be very okay to wear everything and anything. Be careful, and that's the reason I'm a little confused whether to keep this top or maybe I can order the XS. So this one is S. but yeah, I can order the XS, but I'm not sure yet, like if XS would look nice on me or not, or it will be the same pattern, which is extremely baggy on the chest area. So yeah, I can give it a shot. I'll think about it whether to keep this or to return it. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you find this helpful, and let me know if you want to see such videos in the future. Please feel free to drop a comment in the comment section, and yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye bye, take care.